Number 1 here is the right vertebral artery, specifically the Atlantic or the V3 segment. Moving cranially, number 2, we encounter the left occipital artery. Number 3 here is the right pica or the posterior inferior cerebellar artery, specifically the second segment. The second segment of the right posterior inferior cerebellar artery or pica. Moving superiorly still, we encounter the left vertebral artery, specifically the Atlantic or the V3 segment. And number 5 is the right vertebral artery, specifically the intradural or the V4 segment. Number 6 here is the left maxillary artery. And number 7 is the right posterior inferior cerebellar artery, first segment. Number 8 here is the left internal carotid artery, specifically the cervical or the C1 segment. Here, posteriorly at number 9 is the right internal jugular vein. And this, of course, is the left internal jugular vein.